So after you have created appointment types in Open Dental, you're going to want to set up provider operatories for the appointments to be scheduled in. So in Kasper, let's go to settings and then office settings and then manage exam rooms right here to make sure the operatories on Open Dental match the operatories here. So in Open Dental here, we have three doctor operatories. We have Op1, Op2, Op3, which we have blocked off, and then we have two hygiene ops. So this matches here, Op1, 2, and 3, Hygiene 1, Hygiene 2. If it doesn't, it's easy to delete and add new rooms. You'll just delete or add new rooms here. And then the next step is to make sure providers are set up correctly for online scheduling. So settings, office settings, and then practitioners. And these providers will automatically sync with Open Dental. So if you already have your providers entered into Open Dental, then they will appear here. So if you need to add a provider, it's super easy. Or if you want to edit the provider's name, you can go to Open Dental, go to lists, then providers, and then you can add or edit as you see fit, and then you'll see those changes reflect in Kasper. So even if you hide something in Open Dental, though, it will appear in Kasper. So we have this test doctor here, and he does appear here. There, so you'll just have to ignore that in Kasper. Okay, so now let's go to settings and online scheduling, and then we'll click operatory settings. And you're going to select which provider will be scheduled in which column. So Tina Jones, she is scheduled in, her column is going to be Hygiene 1. And Bruce Bentley, the other hygienist, he is going to be scheduled in Hygiene 2. And then one thing to consider is that in many practices, providers will work out of more than one column. So in this example, you can see in Open Dental, Dr. Scott works in Op1 and Op2. So we're going to say he uses Op1 for production, Op2 for non-production. So he'll want to put his limited exams and consults scheduled in the Op2 column. So I'm going to select Op2 and then hit save for Dr. Scott. And yeah, so that's the operatory settings. And then next we are going to finish setting up the online scheduler.